How to get unbanned from Grindr. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to get unbanned from Grindr. So in order to get unbanned from Grindr, what you can do is you can go ahead and submit a request. You could go to the Grindr website and find out the contact page. So for that, open up a browser, type in grindr.support. When you go to this page, go ahead and click on help.grindr.com, and that's going to take you to the other field where you can go ahead and submit a request that you wish to go ahead and unban your account. So you just have to provide a valid reason for why your account should have been unbanned and all that. And when you've actually provided valid information that this is not working out, then you can also try reaching out through the social media. If you don't hear back from the Grindr, reach out through the social media platform like Twitter or Facebook of the Grindr's official page. And if nothing seems to be working out, you can keep going, or you start submitting your request, or you can carry on submitting your request. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can try creating a new account, and that should be able to fix your issues. So these are some of the ways to get unbanned from Grindr. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.